Hello there, everyone. In this module of the 7-Figure Mastery Program, we'll look at a lesser-known but equally effective paid method to draw traffic to your site, Warrior Special Offers, or WSO. What is Warrior Forum and Warrior Special Offers? A Warrior Forum is a forum designed specifically for Internet marketers with over 1 million registered members. Warrior Special Offers, WSO, is a marketplace under the Warrior Forum containing products, services, and offers for the digital marketing market. One can promote their latest products, services, and offers to other subscribed members in the forum here, and also purchase such products. Creating your WSO. But first things first, you need to create your own eye-catching special offer that the audience will be attracted to. If you're not familiar with generating an effective sales offer, you can always hire a freelancer. After creating your offer, the first step to creating your WSO is signing up as a member to the Warrior Forum and creating your own account. When you've created your own account and you've logged in, you should navigate to the Create a WSO page by clicking on the Launch Your WSO button on the right sidebar, or under Marketplace tab at the top of the page. The cost of creating an offer is a fixed price of $20. When you've clicked on Create Offer, you'll be left with 2 further steps to start your offer under Warrior Payments. The first step will lead you to configure most of your product details, which include the title of your offer, uploading your product or specifying your URL, selecting your product category, setting up a subscription payment if needed, your product price, giving access to affiliates to promote your product, connecting to PayPal, setting up a dime sale or time sale, connecting to your autoresponder, allowing your offer to be featured as a Warrior Daily Deal where you also have to choose a commission rate. The second step is where you'll create your product's offer by creating your own sales copy. This page will be loaded once you've completed the first step by clicking Save and Continue. When you've clicked Save and Continue, this is when your offer is published directly to the Warrior Forum and it creates your thread. Then on your thread, other users of the forum are able to comment and ask questions regarding your product where you can reply to their queries. To post offers and receive payments for your products, you are required to connect to PayPal. The Warrior Forum works in a way where they want to get their Warrior payments up. If you're able to create an effective WSO using Warrior Payment, the Warrior Forum will do all the work to drive the traffic to you. To do this, try and get your offer listed under the daily deals. 5 tips for WSO success. 1. Bump your special offer thread as often as you can. When members visit the WSO marketplace, your thread's title is the first thing that they see. Bumping your thread means that your offer title will be placed on the first page of the WSO marketplace. Usually, when new offers come in, your offer will be pushed further behind if you choose not to bump it. The cost for bumping your offer is usually $19.95. 2. Optimize your WSO by subscribing to the WSO thread. This should be done once your WSO thread is made live. When you subscribe to the thread, you're able to reply to your client's query promptly. This creates a better chance in securing clients as they know that you're serious about your offer. 3. Get more views of your offer through banner advertising. Banner advertising is one of the best strategies to reach all Warrior Forum members, not just restricted to the WSO community. The majority of the Warrior Forum members are interested in Internet marketing, online entrepreneurship, and business in general. There are 2 main spots where you may advertise your banner ad, the top banner ad and the bottom banner ad. Most advertisers will choose the top banner ad. That's because it is an above-the-fold ad that can be seen by almost all visitors to the Warrior Forum. The banners on the Warrior Forum are charged based on CPM, which is cost per impression. The top banner will cost you $5.99 per 1,000 impressions, and the bottom banner will cost you $1.49 per 1,000 impressions. 4. Incorporate videos in your sales letters to increase the conversion rates and sales of your offer. People are more attracted to an interactive sales offer as compared to the traditional one. The most strategic way in implementing this is by placing the video above the fold as an introduction to your offer. 5. Incorporate testimonials as proof that your product is worth the purchase. However, there is such a thing as too many testimonials in a sales letter. When you put too many testimonials on your page, the effect will be diminished. Put a maximum of 3 and provide a link if you have more so that it's seen only by those who are interested.